Okay, now we are going to see the multiples. Is a new chapter. So multiples, what is multiples? The definition I am giving you, the multiples of a number by multiplying it by 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. The multiple of a number by multiplying it by 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. I'll repeat once again. The multiple of a number by multiplying it by 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So what is the meaning of multiples? So multiple of a number by multiplying it by 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So this is the example. While I'm going to give the example, you understand the concept of multiples. See, example is 5 into 1 is equal to 5. So the multiple of a number, this 5 is a multiple. This 5 is a what? Multiple. Okay. And these two, this 5 into 1. So multiple of a number. So multiple of a number, I am giving the example of 5. Okay. So multiple of a number by multiplying it by 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So the number I am going to multiply is 1. So 5 into 1 you can get what? 5. So these two are factors. This 5 into 1 is a factor. Okay, factor. And this 5 is called as a multiple. 5 is called as a multiple. That means the answer, that means the product, it is called as a multiple. So if you multiply two numbers, you can get a product. So these two numbers are going to multiply, it is a factor. The answer, the product is a what? The answer, you can get the answer. 5 into 1 you can get 5. So 5 into 1 is equal to 5. So 5 into 1, that is a factor. So these two numbers, first number is 5, second number is 1. So these two numbers are going to multiply, that is a what? Factor. So, and the number is going to multiply means what? 5 into 1, these number is going to multiply. So these two numbers are called as a factor. The answer is equal to what? 5. That is a product. Otherwise we can call it as a multiple. Okay, that is what it mentioned. So the multiple of a number by multiplying it by 1, 2, 3, 4. So multiple of a number is 5. So which number is going to multiply? This 5 into 1. So these two numbers is called as a factor. So 5 into 1. That means 5 into 1. These two number 5 and 1. These two number is going to multiply. So 5 and 1 is a factor. The answer 5. You got it. That is a product. Otherwise we can call it as a multiple. That is what they mention. So properties of multiple. So properties of multiple means a number is a multiple of excuse me, a number is a multiple of itself. A number is a multiple of itself. See, I am giving many other examples. That is 10 into 2 is equal to 20. So these 2 is a factor and 20 is a multiple. 8 into 3, this is a factor and 24 is a multiple. 7 into 4, this is a factor and 20 is a multiple. So what is the factors? First one is factor means 5 and 1. Next one is what? 10, 2. And next one is 8, 3 and 7, 4. So these are the factors, and multiple means what you will get it? The answer, the result, the product. That means 5, 20, 24 and 28. These are the multiples. These are the multiple. Okay, these are called as multiples. Now, so properties, a number is a multiple of itself. So a number is a multiple of itself, and every number is a multiple of 1. So every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to the number itself. A number is a multiple of itself. For example, itself means same. So 5 is a number. It is a multiple of itself. So 5 is a number. So we are going to what? We are going to find the multiple of 5 means what you are going to write? 5 into 1. Okay, 5 into 1. So anyhow, what are the multiples? 1 and 5. These two number are multiple. These two number. So 5. So 5, you are going to find the multiples of 5. So what you are going to multiples of 5 means? Multiples of 5. That means what you are going to write? That is answer is 5, 10, 15, then 20 and so on. So How can you get 5? So 5 into 1 is equal to 5. I've told you these two are factors. The answer, the product is called as a multiple. So multiples of 5, what you'll get? 5. You can get the same number. That is what a number is a multiple of itself. And every number is a multiple of 1. Every number is a multiple of 1. For example, multiple of 1, every number, any number, whatever the number you are taking, it is a multiple of 1. That is the meaning. So we are multiplying 5 into 1. So every number is a multiple of 1. This is the meaning. And every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to the number of itself. Equal to the number of itself. So multiple of 5, again I'm giving the same example we are taking. So every multiple of a number is greater than means is the highest number than all and equal to the number itself. So 5, 10, 15, 20, it's so on. From this 5, 10, 15 and 20, 20 is a greater number. The remaining 5, 10 and 15 are less than the multiple of 5. So 20 is a greater than all. Example, but compared to 25, 10 and 15, these are the less than 20. These are also the multiples of 5 and is equal to, that is greater than or equal to the number itself. Greater than the number, that means every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to the number itself. Equal to the greater than, that number is greater than number is 20 is equal to the number itself. That means equal to this, the same number you can get it. For example, 5 means you can get 5. Okay, then after that compared to this number, 20 is a greater number, but the same time greater than or equal to the number means you can get multiple of 5 means you can get the same number. That means 5 you can get it. This is the meaning for this. For example, I am telling you the same one multiples of 5. So 50, multiples of 50 means what you are going to do. So 50 means 50, then what? 100, then 150, then 200, then 250. So on. 250 is greater than all compared to these number 50, 100, 150 and 200. But you can get multiples of 50, the same number you can get. That is the meaning of the sentence.